This man abused and starved his 12-year-old boy to death. Watch the judge as she broke down in tears while reading the death report.
He was never called by his name. He was called by other pejoratives. Gavin was dehumanized, isolated, starved, beaten, and ultimately died.
To my kids, especially my daughter, I'd like to express how deeply sorry I am for my role in the abuse and the trauma that they all went through in my home. I've had several opportunities to interfere and protect you, but I chose not to do so. I am truly sorry, and I hope that one day you can forgive me. To my ex-wife, I am so sorry for how Gavin was treated in my home. I allowed this abuse to happen, and I did nothing to stop it.
The information available in this case is clearly consistent with severe psychological abuse, physical abuse, malnutrition secondary to food restriction, and child torture. Gavin likely endured unimaginable suffering in the weeks, if not months, leading to his death. By report of the school contacts, this was an essentially normal child who was driven to a point of psychological breaking. He would have been cognizant of what was happening, understood that it was wrong, and that the adults in his life who he should have been able to rely on for all things were, in fact, his tormentors. It is without question that Gavin experienced physical pain prior to his ultimate death. First of all, you were Gavin's dad. I don't think you deserve that title anymore, but there's nothing that can be done to change it. You certainly were not his father, and you certainly were not his protector. I also find it telling that I'm more emotional about this than you are. And I think that there is reason for that. I don't think there are enough adjectives and adverbs to adequately describe how awful this situation is. And the fact that I'm teary about it is the first time in 25 years that I can think of that I have ever gotten teary in court. In connection with your conviction for child abuse homicide, recklessly causing the death of Gavin, that's a first-degree felony, and the court will sentence you to 5 years, and that will 5 years as a minimum and up to life as a maximum.